Now you can make collections. I have already done it. In the sense that new, you can make a new folder. And in this folder you can put new elements. I have already made one called comparison. So I will give this type of folder, and on this type of folder we can insert the elements. Then organize all. I had already put it. When I make a flag on this, it goes directly into this folder and is placed directly inside this folder. So this item, when you make a flag on the folder, is inserted. If I do it directly on this one, it is also inserted on this one. If I want to pull it away, I remove the flag and I will then have the deselection of this type of folder. We will do this for all the images we have generated, so that we then have a comparison. Obviously, for those enrolled in the course, I have already attached them to the previous lesson, and I downloaded them to you. So you can watch them safely and precisely in bookstores. In the collections, you see that there are elements. This is a collection we made now. And it's empty. So if I want to rename, download, remove, delete, this is what we did. Every time I enter on an element, I can see the differences that there are among the various types of models that are listed directly here. Of course I can do even so that I see myself a little bigger and I can realize at a glance. Even so, what would be the best model for my purpose of generating the ones that I like, for example, or these that we have seen together, for example this one too. They are all quite nice, but some are more suitable. For example, this one that was suggested to us by the system, as we have already seen. Some are very flu. This one, for example, is very flu, so it doesn't tell me much. GPT image, by the way. And everyone can draw their own conclusions. Name collection. You can also download it. Download. I prepare your file. Image comparison, and practically, he makes a compressed file. And inside this compressed file, there are all the images that we have. You need